Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. Okay, today's project will be on how to replace door handles on a top freezer fridge. You'll need Phillips head screwdriver, and you'll only be removing 4 Phillips head screws for the whole project. Okay, we're starting on the refrigerator now handle. All you have those 2 Phillips head screws there, and you simply unscrew them lefty-loosey, counterclockwise. That mounts to the top of the refrigerator door. And you simply pull up and slide off. And that's it for the refrigerator door. Now the freezer door is mounted underneath the freezer. So you have 2 Phillips screws that mount underneath the freezer door. You just unscrew them like you did the refrigerator. Slide off. Slide it to the side and pull off. Slide it to the side right there and just pull it off. Very simple. To remount the freezer door handle, you just slide it into the groove, and underneath you rescrew the Phillips head screws underneath the freezer door. They're mounted underneath. And there's 2 Phillips head screws that you screw in there. Very, very easy project. And as you want to do the refrigerator door, slide the handle into the groove of the screw onto the fridge, and then you mount it at the top where you'll be screwing the Phillips head screws into the top of the refrigerator door. So the freezer is mounted underneath the door. The refrigerator door is mounted on the top. Okay. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.